Hey, it's Robert here from empoweredlife.tv. Hope you're having a spectacular day wherever you are in the world. Now, in today's video, I'd like to discuss how to make a vision board for manifestation. I get asked a lot about this, how to do a vision board properly, how to make it work for you, how to have things start to manifest as a result of doing it. So I'm going to take you through step by step. I've actually typed out the steps so I can read them to you, and then I'll embellish them because I like to do it that way. So first of all, when you're creating a vision board, it helps to set your intentions. Take some time to reflect on your goals and desires. What do you want to manifest in your life? It could be anything from career aspirations to personal growth or material possessions. Makes sense, right? Really? You've got to have a kind of a blueprint, a roadmap of where you want to go, where you are now, where you want to go, and what that's going to look like. Once you get clarity around this, you can set the intention and move forward with your vision board. Next, gather your materials. Collect the necessary materials for creating your vision board. You'll need a large poster board or corkboard, magazines, scissors, glue or tape, markers or coloured pencils, and any other decorative items you'd like to use. Now, I've also made a previous vision about actually vision boards and creating a vision book, which I'll put a link to somewhere around this video. You might want to go and check that out because you can create a vision board or you can create a vision book. And quite often times I'll use it in the same format, but within a book for many, many reasons that suit me. So you might want to check that video out. But yeah, get everything that you're going to need. Get pictures of the things that you want to show up, get glue, get scissors, get everything you're going to need to actually be able to put pictures onto this board and start to build out your vision board. Next, find visual representations. Look for images and words in magazines or print them from the internet that represent your goals and desires. Choose images that resonate with you and evoke positive emotions. For example, if you want to travel, find pictures of your dream destinations. Now, I've spoken about this many times in my videos. Emotions are very, very strongly attached to pictures. Okay, so the more clarity we can get through the pictures, the nearer the pictures are to the exact thing that we wish to manifest in our life, the more emotive we'll get over it, and the more that we'll have the ability to manifest that into our physical reality. Because the more emotion you can cultivate about it, the more that you can see it as if it's already in your life, the more likely it is to show up in your physical reality. And not only that, but show up much, much quicker. Because you've got more momentum, if you know what I mean, behind the whole thing. So, okay, arrange and glue. Start arranging the images and words on your vision board. You can organise them by theme or let your creativity guide you. Experiment with different placements until you're satisfied. And once you're happy with the arrangement, glue or tape them down. Fairly self-explanatory, really. Whatever it is that you've cut out that actually represents that which you want, start sticking it on that vision board in whatever order works for you. It doesn't matter. We're all different. Whatever stimulates you in a positive way the most, do that. Then add affirmations and quotes. Write down affirmations and quotes, positive statements, inspirational quotes that align with your goals. Place them all strategically on your vision board to reinforce your intentions. Again, what we want to do is get the pictures and the words working together to really impact you on a subconscious level and really reprogram you to support everything that you want to show up in your physical reality. And that includes all of the goodies you want for yourself. Going back to the pictures, if you, let's say, wanted a car, it'd be great if you could find a car that is exactly like the one that you want in a magazine, down to the colour of the leather, the size of the engine, the number of doors, everything, down to precise detail. Remember, vague doesn't cut it. So the more definite you can be, the clearer you are about what it is that you want, the more likely it's going to show up in your physical reality. But add affirmations and quotes to really keep you feeling positive and inspired on this journey. Customize and decorate. Use markers, coloured pencils, or any other artistic tools to further personalise your vision board. Add drawings, symbols, or decorative elements that represent your personality and aspirations. It's your vision board. Make it about you. Make it you. Everything that's in your head and your heart right now that you want to show up for yourself, pour it out onto that board. It needs to be totally you from top to bottom. All of your feelings, all of your passion, desires need to be on that board, because they will reflect back to you when you look at it, and they will inspire you to go on to new levels of success, new levels of attainment, and new levels of manifestation. Display your vision board. Find a prominent place to display your vision board where you'll see it every day. It could be on a wall in your bedroom, office, or any space that feels meaningful to you. Make sure it's easily visible and serves as a constant reminder of your goals. It ain't going to do you no good if you can't see it right. It's fairly easy to understand. Have it somewhere where you're going to see it constantly. So it's pride of place. You're going to see it every day, and it's going to remind you to keep focused on doing the things that move you closer to that. That's when having a vision board is really going to work for you. Visualize and engage. Take a few minutes each day to look at your vision board, visualize yourself already having achieved your goals, and immerse yourself in the positive feelings associated with your aspirations. You can also engage with your vision board by reading your affirmations aloud or meditating on the images. Remember, this is a feeling universe. The more you can feel as if you've already attained these things, the faster they will manifest. The more surely they will manifest into your physical reality. You can do this. You can become a conscious creator. That is what we are born as. We just don't realize it. We can create anything we desire for ourselves, but it starts with understanding that and believing it. And when you truly believe in your ability to manifest and create that which you want in your life, you'll begin to be able to do it. Not until. So visualize and engage. And then take inspired action. Remember, law of attraction. 10 letters, 6 of which make up the word action. If you take it out of the word attraction, you're left with nothing. You have to take action in the direction of that which you want. Okay? So while a vision board can be a powerful tool for manifestation, it's essential to take the action that's required towards your goals. Use your vision board as a source of motivation and inspiration to take the necessary steps and make choices that align with your desires. Remember the Be Do Have formula. It's all about becoming more. And becoming more means you get to a level where you can do more. In other words, you can take the action that you weren't previously able or willing to take. And as a result of taking those actions, you have more for yourself and to share with others. So, to really conclude on that, you need to remember that a vision board is a visual representation of your goals and desires, but it's up to you to actively work towards them. Stay focused, believe in yourself, and use your vision board as a tool for manifestation and personal growth. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed the format. I like doing it like this, really. Just bullet pointing things out and then embellishing a little bit in a conversational way on the top. Let me know if you like that format. I like delivering it that way. But anyway, if you've enjoyed the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon if you would. I'm here every week, and it'd be lovely to see you come back. And if you are absolutely smitten with all things personal development and spiritual alignment, get yourself across to empoweredlife.tv, empoweredlife.tv, and join the family there. See you again soon. Namaste.